Hey guys, this is Holden. Today we are going to visit 3 apartments near Jinjiang Park station. This area is between the downtown and the suburb of Shanghai, so it's not very far from the city center. I think it will take 20 minutes to get from here to the People's Square. The price for the apartment we will visit today are very affordable. Now let's take a look. Right now I'm at Jinjiang Park station. This station was built 32 years ago. At that time, China doesn't have the reform and opening up policy and was still in a state of poverty. Obviously, this station is not as bright and sleek as new stations. The apartment we will visit today is in that direction. Okay, now let's use the tunnel. Now let's take a look in the nearby. All you can see is the public bike. As you can see, this road doesn't have many cars. Let's cross the road. It's like a park, but it's not a park. This greenbelt is called an inner ring greenbelt. Yeah, it's next to the middle ring road. Yeah, you could see the bridge. That is a middle ring road. It's quite fun. Those retail people, they are playing music under the bridge. So they don't play together, they play on their own. As you can see, this bridge is the middle ring road. Although I can hear a lot of car noise, but I still feel calm and peaceful here. The apartment we will visit today is next to the middle ring road. There are many schools nearby. That is a middle high school. And here is a kindergarten school. This kindergarten is called Yinhua Garden. That means Sakura Garden. Now let's take a look for the local market. Now we are at the door of the apartment. This apartment is one of those 3 apartments. Let's take a look. The corridor. Now let's move in. Okay. You only got 2 rooms, a bedroom and a kitchen. Let's take a look for the kitchen. So this one doesn't have a gas stove. It only have a induction cooker. And the washing machine. This washing machine doesn't have the drying function. And the refrigerator. Okay. The storage is not bad. There are many storage. Yeah. Now let's take a look for the bedroom. A bed is already there. The wardrobe and the air conditioning. The window. I think you could put a table here. The view for the outside is not bad. Okay, now let's talk for the price. The price for this one is 3,900 RMB per month. So it's about $500 US per month. You could get a bedroom and a kitchen. Oh, of course, the toilet. A little bathroom, but it has toilet and shower. For me, I think this one is a little bit small, but considering the price and the location, I think I would give this a 7 out of 10. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Alright, that is the second apartment we visited today. It's also very quiet in this compound. Those machines belong to the neighborhood. People can use those things for free. Is this some secret garden for this neighborhood? Oh, I think I know. It's a secret garden for the cat. Okay. Now we are at the second one. Let's open it. Alright, this one looks much better than the last one. Now let's start from the living room. There's a dinner table, sofa, and TV. Oh, this one has the central air conditioning. Not bad. Now let's see the bedroom. Here. It looks like this bed is brand new. The wardrobe and a little yard. The landlord put the washing machine in the yard. So this washing machine has a drying function. Okay, let's keep moving. There is another bedroom for this apartment. Yeah, this one is smaller. Also has a wardrobe, but the bed has been moved out. If you want, you could ask the landlord to add a bed. It's free. Okay. Let's see the bathroom, toilet, and I think it's a shower, but it also looks like a bath tube. I don't know. Okay. Now the kitchen. Okay, this one has 2 gas stoves. To be honest, I personally prefer the gas stove, and also many storage for the kitchen. Alright, let's back to the living room. The price for this one is 16,800 RMB per month. It's near 100 US dollars per month. The price is much higher than the last one, but this one has 2 bedrooms and the size is much bigger. I think I would give this 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay, now let's see the last one. The last one is a little bit far from here. I'll call it DD. Okay. Now we are at another side of the Middle Ring Road. This side is more busy. Let's go to the compound. Okay, now we are at the door of the last one. It looks like this one was just renovated. This is a corridor. You could put your shoes here. Let's get in. This one is like a studio. It only have 1 room. So this place is also the dinner room and the bedroom, the refrigerator. And the bed. The mattress is new, and I believe you could change the cover. The air conditioning and the washing machine. This washing machine also has the drying function. Now the wardrobe. Okay. A mini yard. Let's look for the kitchen and the bathroom. Kitchen is here. 2 gas stove. And a lot of storage for the kitchen, but no oven. Okay, now the bathroom. There is a shower. Open. Yeah, better. Shower and a toilet. Not bad. Now let's talk about the price. The price for this one is 700 US dollars per month for this studio apartment. Personally, I do not prefer studio, but this one has a yard and the decoration is quite new. So I think I would give this 7 out of 10. Okay, that is apartment for today. You could tell me in the comment which one do you like. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.